So this is Dr. Kavita Singh, Associate Professor in Department of Civil Engineering in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. So today we are going to discuss a topic called as study of physical properties of flint and jasper. So this flint and jasper, these are the two types of rocks we can say, or minerals we can say, because all the rocks contains some kind of minerals present in that, and how it is applicable in the industrial field and as well as in the day-to-day life, or as we see their uses, and hugely it is applicable in the industries that we'll be going to discuss today. So let us start this lecture, study of physical properties of flint and jasper. So first of all, let us discuss about the what is flint. So before that, flint and jasper, both varieties of, they are varieties of chert. So what is a chert? Chert is a hard, dark, opaque rock which is composed of silica with an amorphous or microscopically fine grained texture, and it's a fine grained sedimentary rock primarily composed of microcrystalline quartz and minerals present into flint, iron, magnesium and calcium. So these are the minerals which are present in these two types of minerals, or you can say as rocks, where we find this iron, magnesium and calcium. Now they are often used interchangeably in some context, but they differ in color and appearance. So they have different color, they have different appearance. The color and the appearance is based on the type of the mineral which is present in that kind of rock. So let us start with the flint. What is a flint? So flint is a dark colored variety of chert. It's a dark colored variety of chert, and that is typically black, dark, grey or brownish. So in color, this color varies basically with the presence of impurities, with the presence of type of mineral which is present in that particular rock. So this color depends on the type of impurities are present in that, and it is also known for its sharp edges and broken, which was historically used to make tools and weapons. Now hard grey rock consisting of nearly pure silica. So it's a kind of, so this you can see, this is the types of flint, and where you can see you have different colors present in that. So it's consists of purely silica chert occurring chiefly as nodules in chalk houses built by brick and flint. So these are the types of flint you can see where it was historically used to build the house, and it was historically used as a weapon for the historical people, those who were not having the different kinds of materials present with them. So they used to use as a weapon, and they were using this flint for building a house. Now a piece of flint, especially as a flaked or ground in ancient times to form a tool or a weapon. So plural noun flints. The early settlers also found ready supply of flint in the chalk cliffs. So piece of flint used with a steel to produce the ignition spark. So it was used for just ignite a fire also in the previous days. In the historically, if we see, it was used to just ignite a fire. Example in the flintlock gun, or a piece of alloy used similarly, especially in the cigarette lighter. So now if you talk about the hardness, what is the hardness? If you remember, already we have discussed about the Mohs scale. So Mohs scale, what is the hardness on the Mohs scale is 6.5 to 7 on the Mohs scale. It's very hard and it can scratch the glasses, and the density of this flint is 2.6 gram per centimeter cube. And the fracture here is conchoidal and smooth curved surfaces when broken, and the luster here is wavy to dull. So if you see the luster, that means the shine of this kind of mineral, it will be either waxy in look or dull in color, sometimes slightly vitreous. Now what is the color here? Typically gray, black, brown or bluish, but can reddish hues due to iron oxide, and transparency opaque to slightly translucent on thin edges, and brittleness. If you talk about the brittleness, easily how it breaks. So brittle breaks with a sharp edge, historically used for the tools and weapons. Now, application of flint. What are the applications of the flint here? Let us understand the applications as it is applicable in the industrials too and in the construction industry. Now, flint is a type of sedimentary rock. It's a basically kind of a sedimentary rock, mostly composed of quartz. Quartz is a mineral which is present in these kind of sedimentary rock and often used for the various practical historical purposes. Now, when you talk about the purpose here, so here we have tools and weapons, historical. So flint was widely used by the ancient humans. It was used by the ancient humans for making tools, making weapons and arrowheads, and its ability to fracture in sharp edges made it ideal for creating the cutting tools. Now, fire starting. So flint is one of the material which is used in the fire starting technique, especially in the combination with steel. Now, striking the two together, striking the two together creates spark which can ignite the tinder. Now, building materials. So, flint is also used as a building material. In the past, flint was sometimes used in construction, particularly in the regions where it was abandoned, and flint was sometimes used as a building stone or a paving road. So, as a building material, it was used. Now, in a glass production, so flint can be processed into flint glass, a type of high quality glass used for making fine glasswares, optical lenses due to its clarity and the refractive properties. Now, in the ceramics and the pottery, flint can be crushed and added to ceramics to enhance the material's durability, and this was the common in ancient pottery making process. Now, as it is also used in the water filtration. What is water filtration here? So ground flint can be used as a filtration medium. So ground flint can be used as a filtration medium. Its porous structure makes it suitable for filtering the water in the other filtration systems. Now, soil amendment, it is applicable in the soil amendment also. So, crushed flint, as it contains quartz inside, so it can be sometimes be used to improve the soil. It can be used to improve the soil drainage aerations, particularly in the heavy clay soils. And the modern industrial uses flint's hardness makes it useful in the production of abrasives as well as in some manufacturing processes where a hard durable material is required. Now, jasper. So we have seen about the flint as is historically it is used for the building purpose, for the construction purpose, as well as for the treatment of the water. Also, it is used for the amendment of the soil. Also, it is used. Now, coming to jasper. So jasper is also a sedimentary rock. So even flint, you have seen it is comes under the sedimentary rock category, as well as jasper also it is under the sedimentary rock category. So sedimentary rocks, minerals, iron oxide, manganese and other trace elements. So jasper is another variety of chert. It's another variety of chert, but is typically red, yellow or brown. So it has a different colors like red, yellow or brown due to iron oxide impurities. So the impurities like iron oxides are present in this kind of rock, which makes the color variety like either it is yellow in color, brown in color, red in color. So that depends on the mainly about the impurities which are present in the rock. Now it is often opaque and used as a semi-precious stone in the jewelry and ornamental carvings. So jasper has a different colors. It has a luster and it looks like a basically like a decorative stone. So this kind of mineral or stone, you can say it is used in the ornaments or ornamental carvings. Now this is how the jasper looks like. You can see it comes in the different colors where it can be used as the ornaments or the jewelry or the decorative items. Now if you talk about the hardness of this jasper, hardness is having 6.5 to 7 on the Mohs scale, and it is similar to flint candy scratch glass, and density is 2.5 to 2.9 grams per centimeter cube, and the fracture here is conchoidal and a granular. Luster is dull to waxy, sometimes vitreous when polished. So it is sometimes vitreous when polished, and color here is wide range: red, yellow, brown, green, blue, due to mineral impurities like iron oxides. So it has a different range of colors like red color, yellow color, brown color, green color, blue color. So these are the various ranges where we see the colors here, and due to the mineral impurities like iron oxides. Now transparency here is opaque, so it is opaque in transparency, and the texture, if you talk about texture, so it has a smooth and a fine grain texture where you can see. Now jasper is a beautiful and versatile gemstone, so we call it as a gemstone because it has different colors and it looks like a jewelry. So we call it as a gemstone, known for its range of colors and unique patterns. Now it has applications span both practical and decorative uses here. Now and in the application part, when you talk about jewelry and ornaments, so as a jewelry and ornaments, beads and pendants. So jasper is often polished but cut into beads, pendants and cabocons for use in necklaces, bracelets, earrings and rings. Now here jasper is used in the gemstone inlays because of vibrant colors and striking patterns. Jasper is used in inlays in a jewelry settings. Now a second thing, if we see here, so jasper is used in the carvings and sculptures. So as it's a decorative stone, so it is used as a carving stones or as sculptures. Like jasper is popular stone for carving artist, which creates the decorative sculptures, figurines and other ornamental pieces from jasper due to its ability to take detailed cuts and beautiful appearances. Now decorative artistic uses. Now stoneware jasper is often used to make artistic items like polished stones, slabs, vases and bowls and trays. Now gemstone tiles. Jasper rich colors make it an attractive choice for its tiles used in flooring or countertops, adding a luxurious look in the interiors. As a spiritual and healing practice, so basically jasper is used for a crystal healing purpose. Like a crystal healing jasper is commonly used for metaphysical practices, and it is believed to have grounding properties, help with emotional stability and provide protection. People use it. They use it in the meditation and energy healing, spiritual rituals, and as a chakra work. So some believe that jasper helps in the balance to make the root chakra, promoting the strength and stability. So this kind of stone or this kind of rock, basically, or you can say it as mineral, so they are basically, it is used for a spiritual purpose as well as a healing kind of nature it has, which is used to in the meditation. It is used in the emotional stability and protection. So people use basically for the healing of the energy and all. Now landscaping and decorative stones. So basically gravel and aggregates of jasper is crushed. Jasper is sometimes used in landscaping, either as a decorative gravel in the garden beds or walkways, or filling decorative fountains on ponds. Now stone edging, it looks like used as a edge stone for paths, flower beds and other landscaping features. So because it's a decorative item, so it is used in the footpaths, and it is also used in the edgestone paths as a flower beds and the landscaping features. So for landscaping, this material, it is used for the landscaping purpose. So if we talk about differences here, so we have differences about the flint and jasper, as well as we have different, like if you talk about difference, flint is typically dark colored, so it has a black, gray and brown, while jasper tends to be red. It tends to be red yellow, brown, green due to iron oxide and other impurities. And used in jewelry, jasper is often polished and used as a gemstone, while flint is more historically significant as a tool making material. So, flint, if you talk about it, is used as a significant material for tool making, as well as jasper is basically used as a gemstone in the jewelry part. Now, patterning Patterning, jasper often displays distinctive patterns and bands or spots, while flint is usually more uniform in color. Now, summary of identifying these features. So, both are hard. So, when you talk about the summary here, so both the kind of mineral, or you can say both the kind of rocks, say both are hard on the Mohs scale, that is measured as 7, which is known as the hard material here, and lack cleavage, fracturing in a conchoidal. So it doesn't have any kind of cleavage. It has a smooth curved surface that resembles in inside of a seashell pattern, and the main differences lie in color. So basically the main differences here, it lies in the color, where jasper tends to be colorful and patterned and transparency. Flint can be translucent at the edges, while the jasper is usually opaque in color. Now, applications of flint and jasper, if you just compare it. So, flint basically historically used for the tool making, such as flint tools, arrowheads, and fire starting tools, as well as jasper. When you talk about jasper, it is used in the ornamental carvings, jewelry, and capcons, and sometimes as a decorative stone in the landscaping. So basically, when you talk about jasper, is a decorative kind of stone. So in decoration we use it, or in a showpiece or landscaping purpose we use it. But as well as flint, it is a kind of material. It is a kind of rock or mineral, we can say, where it is used as a tool. In the historically, it is used as a tool. So these are the two applications, and if you, even you can say the differences between these two. Now, these are the few references which you can just go through to find out the more content about this flint and jasper. It will be in detail. If you want to know, you can just refer these books like Textbook of Engineering Geology or Venkat Reddy Engineering Geology, because publications. These are the books which you can just go through to find out the more content about this flint and jasper. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.